Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your model and iOS level so gestures behave predictably. Once done, enable Face ID or alternate access in Face ID and passcode. This replaces the security role the home button used to fill. Then, practice the essential gestures. Swipe up to go home, swipe and hold for app switcher, swipe from edges for control center and notifications. You need muscle memory, so repeat each motion slowly, then at normal speed. To make the new navigation reliable, you now move into day-to-day navigation and controls. To switch apps, swipe up and pause to see the app switcher, then pick an app or swipe a card up to close it. For quick controls, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. That replaces quick toggles you used from a home button era. Make sure to enable Assistive Touch and Back Tap in Accessibility if you want virtual home or custom shortcuts, because those provide one-tap alternatives and reduce strain over time. You finish by customizing accessibility options to match your habits. Go to Accessibility, Touch, and Back Tap to assign actions that replicate a home button. Once configured, reboot your iPhone and repractice the gestures so the system and your hands sync. If gestures feel unresponsive, make sure screen protectors are not interfering, and enable Assistive Touch as a temporary virtual home button while you troubleshoot. If problems persist, restart again and check for iOS updates. Often a small update fixes gesture responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.